Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve the Dodekastar puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Yavuz Demirhan from Turkey and made by two brass monkeys in the United Kingdom. Difficulty level of the Dodekastar puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10, and the goal of the puzzle is to take it apart and reassemble it again. The Dodekastar puzzle was 3D printed, it has 6 parts and it is a burr puzzle. There are 10 movements in order to solve this puzzle, but 60-degree angles complicate it dramatically, since the regular burr puzzles usually are connected under 90 degrees angles, and it is quite easy. You got used to solving those puzzles, but when you try to solve this one, the 60 degrees angle makes it completely different. Even though the number of moves isn't crazy high, it is actually quite low, but the unusual shape makes it quite difficult to solve, since you have to move the parts in an unusual way and your brain doesn't want to deal with it, and you're still trying to solve it like a regular burr puzzle, but you have to have completely different approach when solving this puzzle. So great puzzle, even though only 10 moves, but it will take you a lot of time before you will be able to find those 10 moves. If you like the Dodekastar puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca, and if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. Now I'll try to show you the solution. It is still difficult for me to repeat the solution even though I know how to solve it, so maybe I will be showing it quite slow, since I will be kind of solving it again. So what we have to do here, we lift this part up, this goes, wait a second, this goes down, and probably this goes up. Yeah, now we can move these two parts to the left. Okay, that's a little bit of a progress. The next move will be to, is it the, oh, I think it is not the, it is not the correct side. So let's try on this side. This goes up, this goes down, and these two go to the left. Maybe it's not correct either. Let's try again. Yeah, as I mentioned, it can be quite tricky. Or maybe it's supposed to be like that. Yeah, it looks like it's supposed to be like that. So when you move this down, this up, these two to the left, you can see this shape on the left. Okay, let's see what I can do next. I can move this part down, and now I can push this part to the right. Okay. The next move, what do we have to do next? I think that this goes here, this goes to the right and up, this goes down, and we can actually move this piece up a little bit more. Now, as you can see, I can move it on top of other parts. So here is a very tricky part, since you have to align the parts in such a way that you can remove this piece, and the only part that is holding it is right here. So if you align everything properly, but the 60-degree angle makes it look impossible. Let's try, oh, like that. You will be able to remove the first piece, then you can remove 2 more parts, and then you can disassemble the rest of the parts of the puzzle, and it is solved. Now we have to assemble everything back together. These 2 parts go together, then we add this piece. The assembling is difficult as well, but you have to remember that 2 parts that go next to each other, they're supposed to create this triangle. Then we grab these 2 parts, if you have them separated, so take a closer look at which parts you have to have, and put them right here from the top. It can be tricky again because of the 60-degree angle, but you have to figure out the way how to put the parts here. Okay, that works. And now the last piece, the one that was the first to remove, it is hard to put it inside as well. Oh, actually I did it from the first try, I guess. Now the tricky part again, we have to move this piece down, right here and down. This goes up, this goes to the left. Here a little bit difficult part, since we have to move this piece to the left so that this one can go down. Oh, it's actually easier now. Usually I make a mistake at this part, but now everything is correct. Now I can move everything down. This goes inside and everything is solved. Oh, I was quick this time. It took me less than 3 minutes to take it apart and assemble it back together, but even though I know the solution, sometimes it takes me even more time to take it apart and assemble it again. Quite tricky puzzle, even though the number of moves isn't high, but the shape and the angles make it so confusing that it is very difficult to solve it. If you like the Dodekastar puzzle and you wanna buy it, or you wanna try some other great puzzles designed by Yavuz Demirhan or made by two brass monkeys, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.